Here I'm reporting my 7th June trades, and you can see that on 7th June actually our first trade made us near about 484, and the second trade actually made us 116. So what happened is the first trade recording get missing, mean actually it get recorded, but by default I don't know why I couldn't able to record the sound of the video, so it's not proper to actually use in my vlog. And this one is okay, this one sound is okay, so you guys will see this while this trade was happening, actually you guys will be able to see. So let's see the cut piece, and obviously from that video the video will get end. So hope you guys are enjoying, but my message will be we are starting our new week next day, and if you are still not in the closed group, again I have to say it's free. Just actually do the small condition, and that is also very easy, so no need to worry. I already update our new indicator in our website, so those who are using it at this moment, next day it will get expired, but don't panic, you just go to your profile and download those indicators from there. So enjoy the cut piece of the live trade, and hope you will able to see the closed group video. I actually recorded the detailed version of 6th June trades, so that video will gonna update soon in our closed group video. So I will get out this trade little bit early because this candle it's not giving me confidence. Why? Let me tell you guys. So the thing is, if we actually bring a fresh chart, so it will be easier for us. So let's let me bring my profit, because today I already profit from that GBPNZ one time again. But if I show you guys in 1 hour, actually again lots of what to say. Hold on 1 second. GBPNZ. Oh man, it's better this way than we go that way. Bring the template, FXHi5 clean, and then GBP. Sorry, NZ. Also you will be able to see that it's not working, the chart, because what? Because of this B extension, because it's a standard account. So now GBP NZ, very easy. Okay, so actually you guys can see this is the area where the SL hunt is going on, because today is day 5 and it's happened going up. So in 15 minutes if we mark this area first, so it will be better that way. I don't know, I mean it can go, but in 15 minutes now you see one time came and actually give a scary motion, and now it's happening here. It's coming and fast it's going up, so it might be hunting something here. So that's why I get out, because it's day 5, otherwise I will stick with it, you know. So this is how actually we trade. So anyway, you can see already 484 plus 116. Okay, so 600, that's enough for us for this weekend, and that's how we finish our 5th day of trading with profit. Thank you for watching. KAZi.